In today's show, I'm going to be sharing with you a key Google metric which suggests the Bitcoin price may soon explode into a $100,000 parabolic rally. Taking a look at this tweet on crypto Twitter, Googling for buy Bitcoin just reached a 7-month high. The long-term upwards trend is undeniable. The last time the score reached a 10 was back in November of 2013 at a bull top, May of 2017, the price on a parabolic bull run-up, and June 19th, a medium-term top, and February 20th, the price on a parabolic run-up. We'll be discussing the likelihood of this happening here in today's show. Also in today's episode, a $100,000 Bitcoin buzzkill. According to popular crypto analyst and strategist PlanB of the infamous stock-to-flow model, he analyzes the fear of an imminent crypto death spiral and what's the likelihood of this happening and how that would affect the trajectory of the Bitcoin price according to the stock-to-flow model. We'll be taking a look at what he has to share on crypto Twitter. Also in today's show, 5% Bitcoin drop is nothing special during Chinese New Year. According to the BitMEX CEO, he says it's time for BTC to nosedive. Taking a look at what he shared on Twitter, the year of the rat starts this weekend. Time for Bitcoin volatility and volumes to nosedive. We'll be breaking this down in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market. As you can see, there is definitely a bearish sentiment going on. Where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? Find out all this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every day. So be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And before we kick off today's show, if interested in tapping into OPM, other people's money to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, click that link right below the video in the description. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's dive right into this key Google metric, which suggests the Bitcoin price may explode into a $100,000 parabolic rally. Since Bitcoin investors got a taste of a parabolic price action in early 2019, during which Bitcoin surged from the low 3,000s to 14,000 in a few weeks time, they have been craving more. I know I have been. How about yourself? According to a Google trend analysis, another parabolic rally is about to form again in the crypto market. Considering historical rallies, this next bull market can bring Bitcoin above $100,000, some analysts have suggested. Crypto analyst Cryptokea recently noted that the worldwide Google trends for the search term buy Bitcoin, have recently hit a 7-month high, the highest since June of 2019. More specifically, the metric has hit a 10 on a long-term basis, with the metric's maximum being 100. This may not seem relevant, but Kia notes that each time a 10 reading has been seen for the buy Bitcoin term, the crypto market always found itself in an essential inflection point. When a 10 was seen in November 2013, it marked a long-term top to a Bitcoin bull market that brought the crypto from irrelevancy to about $1,000. And taking a look at this tweet here on crypto Twitter, it says, Googling for Bitcoin just reached the 7-month high. And I shared this all in the intro of the show. And taking a look at these graphs that he shared showing Google trends for buy Bitcoin worldwide. And he circled these key points when we saw a parabolic rise, which correlated to the search volume for buy Bitcoin. When a 10 was seen in May of 2017, it marked the beginning of an exponential bull run that brought Bitcoin from under $3,000 to $20,000 in around 8 months' time. And when a 10 was seen in June of 2019, it marked the $14,000 local top for Bitcoin. The latest Google Trends 10, Kia said, likely marks the start of a parabolic run-up that will bring the prices much higher than the $14,000 high. He added that the long-term upwards trend for this metric, which is correlated with the growth price of Bitcoin, is undeniable, pointing to a logarithmic corridor, confirming that over time, more and more people will want to buy the cryptocurrency. Whoop, whoop. Please note this isn't the only massively bullish sign. It isn't the only Google Trends data that suggests Bitcoin will soon go parabolic and explode past 10,000, 20,000, and potentially beyond as time elapses. An analyst going by the name of Satoshi Wolf recently laid out 3 macro reasons why the Bitcoin price is poised to explode higher in the coming year. They are as follows. Firstly, the recent price decline that Bitcoin has seen from 14,000 to a low of 6,400 has been marked by decreasing volume, which he claims is bullish. Indeed, falling volumes in a downtrend would indicate that the sellers are gradually losing control. Number two, Bitcoin surged off the key $6,400 macro support level, which has been a level of utmost importance since early of 2018. In December, on high buying volumes, this indicates bulls are in control. And lastly, number three, the block reward reduction for Bitcoin, which will decrease the inflation rate of Bitcoin by half, is on the horizon, less than 120 days out. This event has been found to be correlated with upswings in the market. There's also a price model for quantitative analyst PlanB, which shows that after the halving, the fair value of Bitcoin will rise to $55,000 to $100,000. Now, I'm going to get deeper into the stock to flow model prediction from PlanB here in a little bit. Some have been even more optimistic, saying that per previous trends, the next bull run could bring the price of Bitcoin to $400,000, equating the market cap of Bitcoin to that of gold. And before we get into this next story, $100,000 Bitcoin buzzkill, according to popular strategist PlanB, analyzing the fear of an imminent crypto death spiral. Let's take a look at the overall cryptocurrency market. Holy moly, is Bitcoin back in the green? Yes, but barely. Up 0.1%, currently trading just above 8,400. It's been maintaining that $8,300 support, which is good. We do not want to see Bitcoin break below that, because then 8,000 is imminent and will continue dropping from there. Taking a look at BCH, it's down 5%, trading at $319. Satoshi Vision down 3%, trading at $274 after having a massive pump in the past couple weeks. We saw BSV rise as high as $450. Ethereum is down 1%, trading at $160. Litecoin down 4%, trading at $53. BNB coin down 0.3%, trading just below $17. Link is back in the green, trading at $2.50. But as you can see, the overall sentiment in the market, I feel personally, is bearish. What are your thoughts? Drop me a comment right down below. And now let's get into the next story. Let's do it. A popular crypto strategist who says Bitcoin will likely hit 50,000 to 100,000 by 2021 is analyzing the risk of a death spiral that could thwart his prediction. The anonymous analyst known as PlanB, pondering whether the upcoming halving, which will slash the amount of Bitcoin miners earn for processing transactions in half, will convince miners to switch off their rise in mass. The scenario could, in theory, start a so-called miner death spiral that increases Bitcoin's confirmation times, lowers confidence in the network, and drags down the price of the leading cryptocurrency. PlanB posted a Twitter poll on the issue, with 13% of respondents saying the scenario is a real risk to Bitcoin's future. And checking out this tweet from PlanB, he wrote, "Do you think May 2020 Bitcoin halving of miner reward will cause a mining death spiral or miner capitulation?" And 32% of the people put don't know. Show results. 13% put yes, risk of death spiral, and 53% put no death spiral. And that's based out of 7,734 votes. What are your thoughts? Drop me a comment right down below. And checking out some of the replies to his tweet, Riggs wrote, "People will claim that Bitcoin will hit 18,000 pre-halving and then a small correction after." Sherlock Hash wrote, "All indications pointing in one direction, my friend, and that is parabolic, as we can see right here on the chart." John Kwowski wrote, "Bitcoin will continue to increase in price. It's becoming more scarce." And there you have it. That's the same way I look at it. What are your thoughts? Philly Node wrote, "What is your opinion on the price before and after the halving?" Jason cites the capex of new mining equipment as 10x from previous generation, and this may have a big impact on pre-halving. What are your thoughts? And PlanB responded, "In my opinion, Bitcoin price will be less than stock to flow model value directly after the halving." So PlanB says he believes the risk of a death spiral is effectively zero due to a built-in feature on the Bitcoin network that automatically adjusts how much computing power is required to process transactions. When there are fewer machines battling to verify transactions and earn Bitcoin, the difficulty drops. The process is designed to make it easier to earn Bitcoin and make mining more attractive to those who decided to turn off their rigs. So keep that in mind. The analyst is sticking by his hypothesis that that Bitcoin's halving will spark a long-term rally. His bullish outlook is based on the stock-to-flow ratio, which measures the total supply of an asset divided by the amount produced each year. And taking a look at this other tweet from PlanB, he wrote, in my opinion, co-integration between Bitcoin price and stock-to-flow means all network effects march lockstep, investors, speculators, merchants, consumers, miners, and developers together, demand and supply like clockwork. And he included this graph which shows Bitcoin halving like clockwork, and I'll include this in the show notes below the video in the description for you to check it out. And in other crypto news, a 5% Bitcoin drop is nothing special during Chinese New Year. BitMEX CEO says time to nosedive. So let's talk about the average performance during and after a Chinese New Year. Chinese New Year for 2020 falls on Saturday, January 25th. This new year heralds the start of a new year, the rat, the first animal of the zodiac believed to symbolize new beginnings, wealth, and prosperity in Chinese culture. At this time, Bitcoin's currently trading just above 8,400 while managing the daily trading volume at 695 million. However, a loss like this is nothing special during or after the Chinese New Year, notes economist and popular crypto trader Alex Kruger. As we've already seen from January 3rd, 6850, on January 19th, we climbed to 9,200, a level last seen in early November 2019. Notable underperformance has been rather expected between January 12th and January 17th when the Bitcoin price soared over 12%. So during and after the new year, however, the average performance has been rather cold, with a daily average return of 0.6%. And as you can see here, Bitcoin returns following the Chinese New Year, and it breaks it all down from 2011 going to 2019. So get ready for a plunge in volatility and volume. In anticipation of the Chinese New Year, crypto derivatives exchange BitMEX CEO Arthur Hayes has called for a plunge. While wishing Happy New Year in Chinese, Hayes says volatility and volume both will be declining. Volume has already started dragging from last week's 1 billion on the top 10 exchanges, with real volume, as per Masari, yesterday we went down below 500 million. And checking out this tweet from Arthur Hayes, the BitMEX CEO, the year of the rat starts this weekend. Time for Bitcoin volatility and volumes to nosedive. And taking a look at some of the replies to this tweet, Gaber Gerbax wrote, Warren comes to my mind. Warren Buffett saying Bitcoin is rat poison squared, shaking my head. According to this data analytics platform, SKU wrote, sellers of short-dated puts ahead of the Chinese New Year, putting pressure on implied volatility. Dealers expect a quiet market due to the holiday. The spot market is telling a different story and trades down a couple of percent today. Altcoins fall even harder, except for two. As Bitcoin takes a red turn, altcoins have been enjoying a rally much harder than the world's leading crypto, have taken a U-turn as well. Top 35 coins are all in the red except for Tezos, which is up 4.4% in the USD market, and Neem is another exception with 3.15 and 6.22% gains in the USD and Bitcoin market respectively. The current cryptocurrency market cap is sitting at just under $230 billion with 93 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and the current Bitcoin dominance is 66.2% according to Coin Market Cap. And taking a look at the top gainers in the past 24 hours, Centrality leading the pack up almost 30%, trading at 8 cents. Lisk is up 13%, trading at just below 80 cents. Nervos Network is up 12%, trading at 0.006. iExec RLC up 8%, trading at 51 cents. Engine Coin up 7%, trading at 8.6 cents. And Bytecoin up 6%, trading at 0.0003. And for the biggest losers, Komodo down 14%, trading at 57 cents. Stellar Lumens down 7%, trading at 5.5 cents. Bitcoin Cash down 6%, trading at $314. Omi's Go down 5%, trading at 74 cents. Neem down 5% now after pumping, trading at 3.8 cents. And Energy down 5%, trading at $1.59. And checking out the BitMEX margins, we can see the bears are definitely in control, leading with about 39 million in superiority in the past 24 hours, with shorts leading 50.8% versus 49.1% longs. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin right now? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And checking out the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, Right now, we're currently rated a 40 in fear. Yesterday, we were rated a 49 neutral, and last week a 51 neutral, and last month we were rated a 37 in fear. And if you're not familiar with the crypto greed and fear index, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. Be sure to check out the community tab here on my channel. Just in case you did not know, I share interactive polls where you can participate. My last one was February 1st, 2020. What do you think the Bitcoin price will be? And I had 23% vote between 8 and 9,000, 20% vote below 8K, 35% vote, which is the lion's share, between 9 and 10,000. 9% said between 10 and 11, and 13% said above 11,000. I'd love to know your thoughts. Drop me a comment and be sure to check out this community section. I also want to let you know that below this video and every video that I release, which is every day here on YouTube, I release show notes with lots of resources for you to plug into. For example, there's a podcast promo with our sponsor where you can receive $25 in free CMDX tokens just for going through the process, which is outlined here on the site. So be sure to take advantage of that and tap into some free cryptocurrency. I have a blog for my podcast. It's cryptonewsyes.com. You can download any of the episodes in MP3, also stream any of the videos. You can subscribe on YouTube right here, which I highly encourage you to do. Subscribe over on iTunes. We are now listed on all the major podcasting platforms, so you can actually download our show and listen to it also on Spotify, Google Play, Stitcher Radio, now iHeartRadio. Tune in, follow us on Twitter if you're not already following us. And I remind you, we do have a private crypto Facebook group, which is very active. I share in it every day. You can join that for free just by following the link below the video in the description. And I also have a very active private crypto Telegram chat, which we talk about crypto, the market, what's going on. If you want to be in the know, be sure to join these resources, and I look forward to plugging you in. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this crypto matrix. At this point, you have two options: the red pill or the blue pill. Choose the blue pill, and you will wake up and forget everything you think you know about this crypto revolution. However, choose the red pill, and you will see truly how deep this crypto rabbit hole goes. The choice is yours, my friend. I chose the red pill a long time ago. What about yourself? Let me know in the comments down below. If you got value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And real quick before I go, if interested in tapping into other people's money to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, smash that link right below the video in the description, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.